Hey guys, Jiffy Reviews, and more today we got something bigger than an explosion on AEW. Boom! It is the new C4 Ultimate. Let's make it go boom, bigger than Kenny Omega in the ring. And here we go, it's got the Sour Patch Bros, so I guess Matt Riddle sponsored this. I don't know. Bro. Zero sugar. Got kerosene? No, that's Carnus or whatever. I'm doing a review. No. Performance drink, it got that no sugar, so it's good for natural flavor. So it's not crap. So let's do. Here we go. Ready for it? Push. Definitely not a bush. Might be cow bush. I don't know. Here we go. Smell it. It's sour. Kevin Harvick. Ain't no bush. Come on, Kevin Harvick. Here we go. Drink this thing like it is a bush. Not. Stanley would have to go to church 3 times. 5. Don't even know that because I went to William Byrd. Don't even ask us how to count multiplication. We don't even know how to subtract. Here we go. Here we go. Oh gosh. That's good. Purple alert. I hope those trolls ain't watching. They'll be like, hey, bourbon. Hey, that's what it tastes like. Sour trolls. Pretty good. Pretty good. It's your favorite fat man. Favorite fart king of the world. 24/7. 7-Eleven. C4. This is better than Explosion, the AEW champion. It's good. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. Oh yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And watch the whole video, because you know you gotta watch it. Whoa.
Thanks for watching Chuck Food Reviews and more. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Woo! Oh, hell! Oh!